Hey everybody, Francis here from Vickar Mitsubishi. Today we have a 2018 Dodge Caravan. This van is very spacious, does have low kilometers, does have a backup camera, and so much more. We have so much to cover, so let's get into the interior. So getting into the interior of the Dodge Caravan, it does have the nice cruise control just right over here. When you press onto the gauge, it also does have the digital display. Also does have a rear view camera just right in the mirror. It also has the AC, eco mode. There's a lot more stuff in the back also, which I will be getting into. So getting into the rear of this Dodge Caravan, it is more conventional for space. It is used for space because this is a minivan. It does have the nice cloth interior, does have the nice armrests just right over here. These seats do fold down. You do have the nice cup holders just right over here, and you also do have a cup holder just right over here and a nice door handle so you can just lock within the back also. Getting to the rear of the vehicle, it does have a lot of cargo space. You do have a lot of space, especially if you fold these seats down. So if you did want to come view this Dodge Caravan, you can definitely come see it at 950 Regent Avenue West, or you can contact us at 204-667-9200. Vickar Mitsubishi, where customers send their friends.